Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to family share on Steam. Let's get started. So once you've logged into your Steam account, you're going to go to the top left corner where the Steam icon is and where it says Steam. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on Settings. Now after clicking on Settings, you're going to scroll down a bit. So on the left side here, look for something which says Interface. Now after clicking on Interface, look for something which says Client Beta Participation. So it says here, you can choose to participate in testing the latest Steam client before it's widely released. So on the right side here, you're going to click on this downward arrow and you're going to select Steam Families Beta. Now, after you select this option, Steam is going to restart and it's going to take a while for it to start up again. But once you're done doing that, you're going to exit here and you're going to click on your account, Manage Account. Then you're going to click on Account Details. Now, after clicking on Account Details, you're going to go to the left side and you're going to select Family Management. So as you can see here, we have two options, join a family or create a family. Steam families allow you to share your Steam games with up to 5 other household members and manage parental controls for children in the family. So if you want to join a family, you're going to click on that. So if you want to join a family, you're going to click on this. And if you want to create a family, you're going to click on that one. So we're going to select this. So if you want to join a family, you're going to select this one. And if you want to create a family, you're going to select the other one. So I'm going to click on that. Now it says create a family. Enter a name below to create a family. This name is only visible to current and invited members and can be changed at any time. So you're going to enter the family name and then you're going to press enter. So then you're going to create the family name. I'm going to say Jacob Family. And then you're going to click on create. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.